Hi guys, welcome to OYTRA'S YouTube channel. Have you ever heard of 3:1 epoxy resin? I mean, of course, you would have heard of the 2:1 mix ratio, but have you ever tried 3:1 mix ratio? If not, well, you can get it from OYTRA. It comes with a beautiful packaging. This video is aimed towards making a book holder stand while using the 3:1 mix ratio resin. Initially, you require a small weighing machine, mixing cups, and 3:1 resin and hardener kit. What exactly is 3:1 mixing ratio? Let's say if you are pouring 1 gram of hardener, then you would have to add resin thrice of the amount you have added hardener. Here, if I say I have taken 30 grams of resin, then the pouring quantity of my hardener will be 10 grams. Take a wooden stick and mix it well and slow to avoid any bubbles. Take any kind of pigment as per your liking. OYTRA'S metallic pigment. Mix it well to get the best results possible. You can go ahead with any kind of design you have in mind. I wanted to go for a metallic pour and a copper flakes pour. So I have used OYTRA'S copper flakes. Pour your resin in your respective OYTRA'S 3:1 epoxy resin can be used on canvas, wood and is yellowing resistant. It is bubble free, non-toxic, ultra crystal clear, high gloss and transparent. It's the demolding process. After the resin is cured, which takes 24 hours to get it fully cured, it comes out really smooth from the mold. and that is how they are attached. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video with more such tutorials.